Let us begin with the topic excretory products and their elimination. Definition for an excretion is the removal of an metabolic waste of an organism. Waste that are removed includes carbon dioxide, water, salt, urea, uric acid, ammonia, and all excretory waste that travel at the same time in the blood. Apart from that, some of the organ which removes the excretory system like lungs, liver, skin. Lungs, removal of an excessive of a carbon dioxide. Liver produces a urea, uric acid which break down of a proteins. Skin, removal of an excessive water, salt, urea, uric acid. As we know, the three nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid. Let us begin with first, that is the first nitrogenous waste, ammonia. We know that ammonia is formed by the deamination of amino acid and it is highly toxic. It is present in 5 mg per 100 ml of blood. Even this ammonia is combined with that of an glutamic acid and it is less soluble in water. Example given for this ammonia is protozoans, or we can say unicellular animals like an paramecium, amoeba, euglena. Apart from that, the coelenterate, hydra, tadpole, and also annelids and molluscan, which remove the nitrogenous waste in the form of ammonia. The animals which remove the nitrogenous waste in the form of an ammonia is called as aminotelic animals. Let us see the next one, that is an urea. Urea is less toxic than that of the ammonia, and apart from that, we can say urea is derived from an amino acid metabolism. Urea is more soluble in water than that of an ammonia. Example given for this one is mammals as well as amphibians and fishes. Let us say regarding the animals which remove the nitrogenous waste in the form of an urea is called as ureotelic animals. Uric acid, as we know that comparatively it is least toxic than that of the ammonia as well as urea, and also it is insoluble in water. It does not require much water to eliminate from the body of an organism. Example given for this one is birds, reptiles, insects, and also snake are the example given for an uric acid. The animals which remove the nitrogenous waste in the form of an uric acid is called as uricotelic animals. Let us begin with that of the human excretory system. We know that this system is going to be function for entire system. Let us see that one by one. It excrete and toxic nitrogenous waste and regulate the level of many chemicals in the blood, maintains a water balance, and also helps in regulating a blood pressure. Apart from that, entire system is composed of paired kidney, paired ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Let us begin with that of the kidney. Let us see the kidney. When we look at the kidney, naturally it is of a reddish brown color. Shape is a bean shaped, situated at an inner wall of an abdominal cavity. Each kidney of an adult measures about 12 centimeter in length. Diameter is 9, whereas the thickness is about 3, and its total weight is 150 gram. And the depressions which are present in the kidney is called as an hilus or an hilum, where it rises a ureter. So apart from that, the covering of a kidney is called as a renal capsule, and within the renal capsule we can see there are 2 layers or 2 zones. Hence the outer one is called as cortex, inner one is called as medulla. The medullary region is having a 1 to 10 or 11 of medullary pyramids. These are called as pyramids. Its shape is conical process, we can say, and which is at the tip of the pyramid we can see the pores, hence which is responsible for filtering a urine away from a pyramid into pelvis, hence called as renal papillae. The expanded portion of a kidney is called as a renal pelvis. It collects the urine to that of an ureter, and where the blood enter into the kidney with the help of renal artery. The blood which is present in the kidney, it drained away or leave the kidney with the help of renal vein. This is regarding a concerned with a kidney. We know the function of a kidney. It collects on 180 liters of blood fluid process each day and 1.5 liter of an urine produced each day. This is concerned with out of an function of a kidney. Let us begin with, as we know, the pair kidney connected with that of the tube-like structure, or we can say two slender muscular tubes which take their origin from the depression of an ileum present in the kidney. And apart from that, the function of this ureter, it is that the urine will be away from the kidney into the ureter. Okay, and otherwise we can say it begins from a depression of an ileum extended towards the urinary bladder. Let us begin with that of an urinary bladder. Bladder has an elastic wall and placed in the lower part of an abdominal cavity, and it supplies and sphincter muscles at a connection with both ureter as well as an urethra is the urinary bladder. The function is that it is going to be helpful for storage of an urine, or it acts as an urine reservoir. And let us begin with that of an urethra. It is a muscular tube connected to that of an ureter and urinary bladder, expelled away urine from the bladder to that of urethra. So this is regarding the concern with that of an entire system of human excretory system composed of paired kidney, paired ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. In this way, there is an removal of an urine away from that of an kidney with the help of urethra. So this is concerned with that of an entire system which comes under the excretory products as well as their elimination.